If y'all have not heard of Brock yet, well, let me tell you right now, you are about to. When I say it's the new, it is the place that everyone is moving to outside of Fort Worth. So let's go check out one of the new builders here in Brock on these 1 acre lots. Okay, before we get started looking at this house, I want to show you where Brock is. Okay, we were in Fort Worth. It's about a 45-minute drive to downtown Fort Worth from Brock. Then you have about 20 minutes to get to downtown Weatherford, 15-ish to get to all the shopping on Interstate 20. Okay, now we are at a Doug Parr home. These homes are on 1 acre. These homes start in the upper 500s. This model is just under $650,000, which I think is insanely good to have an acre with a 1-story home on it. To get that in Aledo would cost you a minimum of $800,000. Okay, it's got an office. These are wood look tile floors, stone fireplace, vaulted ceiling. Love the open kitchen. Has a huge pantry. This is a spec that is available, but they can build. There are several lots that have not been built on yet, so you could build whichever model you want. There's also a lot you can do with colors and changing that when you build your own. They have specials on the ones that are already built though. Okay, we go over here. There is a laundry room that goes into the master closet, which we will go back through that primary closet in a second. 3-car garage. Again, everything you need to be living out on a little bit of land. Then here's the primary bedroom, has a nice tray ceiling. Big separate shower and tub. And then back into that closet. Okay, over the garage, there is a huge game room. I love that it's over the garage because when the kids and everybody's up there playing, it's not stomping around on everybody's heads. It's huge. It's got a half bath up here, which is great. That massive closet for all your games and stuff for up here. It's so fun. Okay, let's go check out the rest of this house. Now, Brock, the reason everybody's really into Brock right now is because it still has that real small town vibe that Aledo used to have. And it has A-rated schools just like Aledo. So A school, and now we're in a secondary bedroom. This one has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus the office. Yeah, so A-rated schools, smaller school district than Aledo. Aledo's just growing so rapidly that a lot of people are wanting to move out into the country again. So let's go out back and you can kind of see how big this 1 acre lot is. Okay, we'll go out to this nice big patio, and then this 1 acre lot behind it is a farm, so there's still plenty of land to look at here in Brock. And listen how quiet it is out here. Okay, y'all, I know that this was a quick tour. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of Brock. I would love to do that. I'm Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and this is a Doug Parr home in Brock, Texas. I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.